y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Trunk Club unboxing and try on. It's been a while since I've done a dedicated Trunk Club YouTube video. The last few boxes, if I'm remembering correctly, when they came in, I just did an Instagram, should I buy it, should I send it back sort of thing. But this box I'm very excited for. If you're not familiar with Trunk Club, it's a Nordstrom-based clothing subscription service. So it's a $25 styling fee every time you get a box, but a stylist will, based on a style profile that you fill out, will pick items they think you will really like. They send it to you. You have a certain number of days to try everything on. What you like, you keep and pay for. What you don't care for, you send back. And it is free shipping back, by the way, too. And it actually comes in like a box that looks like a trunk, so it's really cute. I have been doing Trunk Club for a while. It's probably my favorite subscription service. Now, with that being said, it is a tad bit pricey, but we don't have a Nordstrom where I live or a Nordstrom rack, so it gives me a chance to sort of shop that department store, I feel like, anyways. Also, behind me, it's a little bit different. I'm trying out some different things. So we have Christmas pillows, a tree, a cute Christmas tree picture, and then I just put a scarf on this mannequin over here. So I'm not sure if it's like set in stone yet that this is what's happening behind me, but so far, we're on the right path to get there anyways. So in this go round, I requested matching pajamas, which I'm wearing the first set now. For some reason, I'm so into matching pajamas. I also requested loungewear and a blazer. I know a lot of y'all have requested to see looks with blazers, so I have a couple of them to show you. In this box, I have 8 items. The most expensive thing, are the blazers. Oh my gosh. Let's do this pajama set first because I am already wearing it. If you watched my vlog last week, I ended up keeping a pair of the exact same style of pajamas from Trunk Club. From Stitch Fix. Yes, love them. So these are the brand Moonlight Short Pajamas. That's what it says. Size 2X, color is navy, $49. I've never tried this brand of pajamas before. I like the white detail. I like that it's a collar with the buttons. I think that's so cute. The size 2X fits really well. It's a super soft material. I was a little bit worried because with loungewear especially, I usually size to a 3X, but I wanted to give this one a go because my stylist recommended this size, and I think this is a good size. So we have elastic in the shorts. I think the length of the shorts is good. And here's what it looks like from the back. I don't know. I just think this is so cute. And I've been so into matching pajamas. For reference, the brand I kept from Stitch Fix was Seeing Stars, and they were $42 for the set. So this is around the same price at $49. The material is super soft, like I mentioned, but a tad bit clingy. And that worries me. So if you have experience with this brand shrinking, then let me know. I did also get another pair of pajamas. I didn't realize these were thermal pajamas. The brand says Nordstrom in a size 3X. Yeah, I didn't realize they were thermal, but we're gonna put them on. Okay, here we go. So these are called the Fam Jam Thermal Pajamas in a size 3X, the Nordstrom brand, $59. These are not thick thermal pajamas like you would think. It's a little bit of a thinner material. I kind of feel like I look like a candy cane because of the red and white stripes. These are also actual buttons that you could undo if you didn't want it like super high on your neck. They're comfortable, but $60 is a little bit pricey. I think the size is a little bit weird because it's like snug on my legs, but then I've got like all this extra room. Maybe the elastic is just not very elastic, I guess. Here's a look at them from the back. You can see straight through them. I'm wearing dark underwear. Well, that solves that because $60 I didn't really want to pay anyways for pajamas. So it sort of solves itself. I don't think they're for me. They're cute. Like if you could get all these matching for your family to wear on Christmas morning, then that would be really cute. I think I like the navy ones better. These, it's just not for me. Let's do this top next. The brand is Eileen Fisher. It's called the Organic Cotton T-Shirt in a size 3X, $68. 68 bucks. Okay, it's a cute white t-shirt. I mean, I think the fit is really cute. I like the v-neck. It is a tad bit see-through, but that also could be because I'm in front of these bright lights. I like the length. These are my own jeans, by the way. I didn't get a pair of jeans or bottoms to wear with the rest of this stuff. Very expensive white t-shirt, but it feels really nice. I don't know what else to say about it. It's cute. If it were $18, if it were $8, I would buy it. 18, in my opinion, I think is just pushing it just a little bit. However, I feel like a lot of y'all are more familiar with the brand and know of quality and if it's worth it and all that kind of stuff. But for me, I just know you can get these for relatively cheap at other places. All right, let's do the next thing. This is a blazer jacket, I think. This is the brand Nick and Zoe. It's called the Grace Open Front Jacket in a size 3X, $185. Keep in mind, this is not the most expensive thing in the box, but this is so cute. So it has these snap buttons here, just one for you to snap it. It's almost like a thicker cardigan, but it's very nice. I like that there's no collar that folds over. I like how it sort of just stands up there. This is a good fit. I mean, it's a little bit big, but also if you're wearing it, it's thicker, so it's gonna be cold outside. Chances are you're wearing something a little bit thicker underneath. I like the length. I think this is very cute, especially with this outfit with some white sneakers. However, $185 is expensive. That's the difference between Trunk Club and other boxes. Again, they are more pricey, but the quality of items they send you are really, really nice. Like, this is such a nice quality jacket, they call it. I would call it more of a cardigan, but I guess it's technically a jacket because it has the snap button. Here's what it looks like open. It's nice, y'all. Even if I wanted it, I couldn't afford it. Like, I can't spend that much money on something like this, but it is nice. But this, on the other hand, is very pretty. So this is the brand Sanctuary. It's called the Hannah Pleat Sleeve Top in a size 3X, $59. I spotted this in the preview and thought if you have a holiday party to go to or just something you want that's a little bit fancier and sparkly for the holidays, then this is so nice. I love the sparkle on it. I love the V-neck with this little bit of a different fabric here. The shoulders have a tad bit, they call it pleat, a little bit of a puff, I feel like, which makes it really cute. And the length is amazing. The fit is so good. This would be adorable with faux leather leggings and some black tall boots. Here's what it looks like from the back. I don't own anything like this. Is it me? Let me know, because I do think the fit is really nice. The way that it sparkles. I feel like I would need to wear it to fit more like my age range, I feel like, which I could with the faux leather leggings and the boots. I'm just looking at it in this mirror right here. It's very cute. It is very cute. Okay, let's do the other jacket. It's cute with this shirt too. So this is the brand J. Crew. It's in a size 24W. It's called the Regent 4-Season Stretch Blazer, $198. So this is the most expensive thing in my box. It is thick. It's like a definite thicker material. It came on its own hanger in the box. This is thick. This is a very nice blazer. These pockets are not real. I don't know, y'all. I feel like I thought I would like it a lot more. $200 is also pricey, but I feel like if you're investing in something like a black blazer, then it's definitely worth your money because you can wear it for years and years and years. Here's what it looks like from the back. I feel like I should take it off so that I don't dirty it up because I don't want to have to buy it. All right, so I feel like this misses the mark a little bit for me, just in the way that it feels and fits, but it is nice. We have two more things left. This is the brand Caslon. It's called the Print V-neck top in navy, size 3X, $69. I have grown to really love Caslon brand. I feel like their sizing is across the board. You can wear pretty much the same size in all the tops and the pants and all that stuff. They're also not as expensive as some of the other brands that Trunk Club or Nordstrom sells. This pattern I think is pretty. I would have loved this when I worked in television still because it's a pretty pattern, but it's not too loud. So I love the elastic here on the sleeve. It also is a little bit tighter snug here and then sort of balloons out, which I think is pretty. I like the V-neck. I like the length of it. I think the size is good. This would be cute with a jean jacket and some black skinnies when it's a little bit chilly outside. Here's what it looks like from the back. It's pretty, but I do feel like my mom would like it a little bit more just because it's not so my style, but I like the cut and the feel of the fabric. It's just, I don't know, maybe the print is not so much me. Like maybe if it was a solid black, ooh, if it was black, I would keep this for myself. But this pattern and stuff just reminds me a little bit more of my mom than me. So we have one thing left. It is bright, it is loud, and it might be the thing I'm most excited for. For some reason, I love this. So this is the brand Nike. It's the Air Windbreaker in a size 3X. They call the color black. It's $90. But I don't know why I love this so much. I would wear it as a workout top for sure. Like when it's a little bit chilly outside, you have your sports bra on, you know, workout leggings, and then throw this over the top. And it sort of helps you stay safe as well because everyone can see you coming. So I did pull it over my head. It's one of those half or just like the zipper at the top. It is a little bit see-through. You can tell in the arms for sure and up here. You could zip it all the way up if you wanted to. It is a tad bit cropped as well. This down here is more of that like moisture wicking type material. It does have a hoodie, and then here's what it looks like from the back. For some reason, I really want to keep this. I don't know why. I mean, $90, am I crazy? This is probably my favorite thing in the entire box. I do love a couple other things, so we'll talk about it. Let's wrap it up. Let me know in the comment section about this. So now that you've seen everything in my box, again, this for some reason is just my favorite. I don't know why, but it would just be so cute on my morning walks with the dog because it's just breathable, but it's vibrant. Something about this I love. All right, the other thing that I probably like the most are the navy blue Moonlight brand shorts pajamas. I just don't know how they wear, if they shrink sort of thing, because they're already that stretchy material. The other thing that I do like is this Sanctuary top. I just think as long as I wear it styled the right way, it would be my style and not so much. I just feel like it may look a little bit older for me. So let me know in the comment section down below what your favorites are. This box, I will say, I chose to do a video with the box because when I pulled everything out initially, I guess I thought it was more my style and that I would like it a little bit more. So we're still going to show you because a few things I am excited about. And Trunk Club does listen. I mean, what you ask for is what you get. And you do get a preview ahead of time. You can go in and say, you know, here's 12 items we're going to send you. And you can say, I don't like this. I do like this. Send me this in a different color. That sort of thing. I will leave a direct link to sign up for Trunk Club in the description box down below if you are interested. I like Trunk Club, as I've said in the beginning. I think you get really cool things, and for me, it's a little bit cooler because we don't have a Nordstrom here in town. I think I'm gonna keep this. Do I need this? This is how it happens. Just something about this, I feel like it's just, I like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. What is that? I feel a string. Oh, it's to tighten the hoodie. Anyways, okay. All right. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.